Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can delete our Facebook account permanently. So let's get started. First you have to go to the Facebook and click on side arrow, click on that, then click on this this option, then click on the view privacy shortcuts and scroll it down. Then you can see here delete your account and information. Click on that and then deactivate your account or delete your account. You can do whatever you want to do. So here I'm teaching you how you can delete your account. So I'm gonna delete this account. So click on delete account and then click on continue to account deletion. Before you delete, you have to tell Facebook why you want to delete your account. So I'm selecting I don't feel safe on Facebook. So continue account deletion, and now you have to just click on delete account and you have to enter the password and then continue and then click on delete account, and your account is permanently deleted. And if you log into your account in next 30 days, your account will be again renewed. But if you don't enter your Facebook account, it will be deleted permanently. So thank you guys for enjoying our videos, and do like, share and subscribe